This is the KEY200 4-channel amp. If the sound in your car isn't great, there's a lot of things you can do about that. You can replace the radio, replace the speakers, add subwoofers, and more. But the main problem with factory systems is a lack of power, and speakers that are, well, less than great. The KEY amplifier can fix those problems. First off, it's a 50 watt by 4-channel amplifier, so right off the bat you'll have 3 to 4 times more power than your factory system. More power is the key to great sound. Second, the KEY amp comes with a microphone and a digital signal processor. Together they can analyze the sound in your car after you've installed the amp and can fix a lot of the sonic deficiencies of your car's interior, like the poor sound processing of your factory radio and of course whatever speakers you have in your car. You can download the pink noise and test tones needed for calibration from Kicker.com and play them from your phone, or a USB memory stick, or from a CD, whatever your radio can play. The built-in DSP has a 40-band EQ, so you can customize the sound to your liking, and crossovers so you can make sure to send the right frequencies to the right speakers, and even time alignment so you can make sure that driver's seat always has the best sound in the car. And if you want to use the 4 channels of power to drive the separate tweeters and woofers in your front component speakers, the microphone and calibration system will detect that during setup and will go to bi-amp mode for an amazing front soundstage. You can use the KEY amp with any aftermarket radio, or if you want to keep your factory radio in your car, the KEY amp will work great even with most modern vehicles. If you have a newer car that shuts the engine down when you're stopped at a stoplight, this amp is compatible with that and won't send a potentially damaging thump to your speakers when your engine starts back up. In some cars, when you add an aftermarket amp, the factory radio won't have any output because it doesn't think you have speakers connected to it anymore. The KEY amp has a radio detect switch that you can use if your factory radio has that issue. You will need an amplifier wiring kit, some speaker wire, and if you are using this with an aftermarket radio, some RCA patch cords to get it connected. You can find all of that in the accessories tab for this amp on Crutchfield.com. So if you want to make your car sound better, the KEY amp may be just what you need. If you have any questions, go ahead and throw them down in the comments on this video and we'll be sure to answer them for you. And while you're at it, please hit the like button and subscribe to Crutchfield for more videos. And thanks for watching.